Fossum awesome too. Fossorich's few is few. Fossum awesome too. Dare on lady vein true. Fossum awesome too. Fossorich's few is few. Fossum.
Hi guys, this is a video for all my fundit supporters. I just wanted to say hello, and here we are in the Cauldron Studios and we are recording my album. So this is outside, and this is the gate, and this is my bike that I cycled in on, and it's been a great few days. It's the Easter weekend and it's just been incredible. The sun has been out and we got to see some marches because we're right in the centre of Dublin city centre, and for the Easter weekend we saw some incredible, amazing stuff, and the sun has just been out. So here we are, we're going to go in and say hello to the guys, what we're doing. This is Michael. He's working really hard and making me sound beautiful. This is our desk and all the things being incredible. This is our big massive board with all the songs. Don't look! It's a secret. Don't look. Then the lads are in here working hard. This is the lads working hard. David on shaker, Owen on guitar, and Connor on bouzouki. Working really hard.
Really hard.
Follow me this way. This is where we got Eamon Barr to play the amazing piano. So I haven't really been in here that much. And Michelle sat here. She's not here today. She played the fiddle. And what else? That's it. It's great. You can hear the tunes. The tunes are flying. It's deadly. It's great buzz. Yeah. This is where I live. Yay. So this is where I sing all my songs. And this is where I have all my words. And this is what I look at when I'm trying to not be mental. And I'm trying to calm down and everything is going to go. Leonard Cohen is going to get me through this if I'm feeling a little bit, I don't know, doubtful. But everything's great. So I'm going to start doing stuff and singing songs and trying to get my album done, and hopefully you'll like it. And I just want to say thanks a million for all your support and massively for your patience for waiting on it. But I can't believe it's actually happening. It's like a big deal. So thanks again. I'm going to start singing now. So see you later. Bye. Okay, let's do it.